For anyone looking for a one-bedroom condo in Orange County, I've got just the place for you. As soon as you walk in, you'll notice all the natural light coming in and cool breezes in your new home. With over 800 square feet, you'll have plenty of space to relax and feel comfortable. Just minutes away from world-class dining and shopping at South Coast Plaza, you're centrally located in the South Coast metro area. My favorite part of this home is this large outdoor patio where you can bring your indoor living outdoors. Don't miss this one. Contact me today for a tour of this home. I'm Michelle with Onyx Homes.